Have you ever thought about the struggle that comes with traditional toilet cleaning methods? Picture a man named John, a homeowner like many of us. John is weary. He's spent countless hours battling his porcelain nemesis, armed with nothing more than a scrub brush and a bottle of harsh, nose-tickling chemicals. Despite his efforts, the results are always the same: a temporary victory, followed by the inevitable return of grime and stains. Each cleaning cycle, a seemingly endless loop, only serves to frustrate him further. He scrubs, he rinses, he repeats. But it's like trying to hold back the tide with a sieve. The toilet, that stubborn battlefield, simply refuses to stay pristine. The chemical fumes, the rubber gloves, the scrubbing, it's a chore that seems destined to repeat itself forever. John knew there had to be a better way. He just didn't know what that way was. Yet. One day, John stumbled upon a strange piece of advice online: putting a clove of garlic in your toilet overnight. Now, John was no stranger to odd internet hacks, but this one took the biscuit. He gave a skeptical chuckle. How could something as simple as a clove of garlic tackle the stubborn grime that even the harshest of chemicals struggled with? But then again, John was desperate. The traditional methods were just not cutting it. The scrubbing, the harsh cleaning agents, the elbow grease. Nothing seemed to work. So he figured, why not give this unconventional method a shot? The process was disarmingly simple. Before tucking in for the night, he just popped a clove of garlic into the toilet bowl. Come morning, it was removed, no fuss, no muss. It all seemed too easy, too good to be true. To John's surprise, the results were extraordinary. But why did this work? Garlic in your toilet might sound like an old wives' tale, but there's actually some science to it. This humble bulb, often relegated to your kitchen, packs a punch with its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. These characteristics make it a formidable opponent against the germs and bacteria lurking in your toilet bowl. Garlic's active ingredient, allicin, is a naturally occurring compound that's released when garlic is crushed or chopped. This compound is a known antimicrobial, capable of fighting a wide range of bacteria and fungi. It's like having a mini cleaning crew at your disposal, working tirelessly through the night to keep your toilet pristine. Beyond its cleaning prowess, using garlic is also a nod to environmental consciousness. Unlike traditional chemical cleaners, garlic doesn't contribute to water pollution. It's a small change, but one that brings us a step closer to a more sustainable lifestyle. So, next time you're dreading the task of cleaning your toilet, why not give garlic a try? You might be pleasantly surprised. Now that we've delved into the science behind this unconventional solution, it's time to see it in action. First, we need to prepare our garlic. Remember, it's the crushing or chopping of the garlic that releases the powerful allicin. So let's chop up a few cloves. You don't need to be precise, just enough to release that magic compound. Next, we take our chopped garlic and drop it directly into the toilet bowl. You may notice an immediate change in the smell. That's the allicin going to work. Leave the garlic soaking in the toilet bowl overnight and let the natural properties of the garlic do their job. In the morning, give your toilet a quick scrub with your regular toilet brush. You'll find the grime comes off easier and the bowl smells surprisingly fresh. Who knew toilet cleaning could be so simple and environmentally friendly? Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content.